Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new turbojet fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. It's good if you're trying to clean out a keyboard, car, things like that. Alright, so as you can see, it comes in this very nice hard carrying case. That's how it looks. Check it out. It's small, but it's got a little weight to it, so it should be pretty good. Here's the attachments to it. Here's like some cleaning brushes, other different size attachments for it as well. As well as the Type-C charger to go ahead and charge it up, and the user manual for it. All right, so go ahead and actually turn it on. So it's got the button right here, and then this is where you would normally charge it, and it's got a battery indicator right here. So it's gonna actually just turn on so you can see it. See that? That's pretty good. Got different settings you can see. Another thing that I wanted to say about it is if you keep this like in your vehicle, if you remove this piece right here, you can put this one. And then in the case of an emergency, this can be like your window breaker right here. So I thought that was a very cool feature to go ahead and add on to here, but let's go ahead and actually try out the other features on here. Right now, as you can see, I'm dusting my keyboard, but it also works great on PC towers, laptops, sofas, or any tight gaps in furniture. The motor runs up to 150,000 RPMs with wind speeds reaching up to 110 miles per hour, and you can choose from different speed settings from 50,000, 70,000, 110,000, and obviously the max, depending on how much airflow you actually need. The whole thing is compact and lightweight at just about 12 ounces with a solid aluminum alloy body and a comfortable grip. Battery life ranges from 20 to 180 minutes depending on the mode that you're using. And it charges between anywhere from 1 to 2 hours with that Type-C charging that's included. In the car, I can switch it to vacuum mode to get any of the dust out of the seats or any small spaces, or the blower to move any of the trash in there, or even anything on the exterior. It also has that built-in window breaker that I showed you earlier in case of emergencies. Right, and then once you're done, once you want to empty this out, you just got to twist this piece off like that. This little filter will come off so you can clean it, and then you can go ahead and just dump this out wherever you like, and then just putting it back. It's just as simple. There you go. Ready to go. So very, very cool. As you can see, it's super powerful as well. So if you guys are looking for a new turbojet fan, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.